to Break Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2019 built but MY20 Outlander LS. Now it is a feature packed vehicle and as you can see we have fitted a bunch of protective options to it as well. So what I'm going to do is actually walk you through and show you what features you get on this vehicle. On such low kilometers you can expect the whole vehicle front to back does present in amazing condition, so I'm not going to spend too long on that, but let's get started. At the front end of the Outlander LS, as you can see, the MY20s do get that new stylish dynamic shield front end. It is an awesome way to reduce road noise and give you the more aerodynamics as well. Beautiful design by Mitsubishi there. The protective options on the front end here, you've got the clear headlight protectors, so it is going to protect your headlights from a lot of chips and scratches. You've also got the bonnet protector here, which will protect your bonnet from a lot of the nasty stone chips that you'd like to avoid. Now, on top of the bonnet quickly, I'm just going to point out that blue line there. It is just a sticker and we will be removing that before we sell you the car anyway. Down the bottom, it's protecting the lower side of your front bar. You have got that chrome nudge bar with the LED lights. So those lights are awesome and there are no other lights around because that's going to light up everything for you. On the side of the vehicle here, you have also got the fog lights fitted, projector beams and a beautiful daytime running lamp in those headlights. Now, making our way to the first alloy wheel, you do get a really nice multi-spoke chrome faced alloy wheel in these vehicles with the gunmetal grey backing. Now the tires in this vehicle as well are in awesome condition. This side of the vehicle once again does present really well. That is just a magnet stuck on the side there, which once again we will be removing before you pick the car up. Now the side mirrors on this vehicle are color matched along with the door handles. When you lock and unlock the vehicle, the mirrors do fold in and out, so now it is unlocked. Take a quick look on the inside. On the inside of the LS Outlander, you do get awesome, very comfortable seats. So they are the half leather and suede, and let me tell you, out of all the Mitsubishi Outlander models, they are hands down my favorite because of how comfortable they are. In terms of accessories, we have already fitted it with a genuine set of mats for you, and down the bottom here you do get the illuminated scuff plate, so when your car is turned on, that Outlander badging there does light up, and it is also going to protect your paint along the side of the car when you get in and out. Closing this back up, as you can see just here, we have also fitted the Outlander weather shield, so it's great if you did want to put your windows down while you're driving. We've also tinted the windows for you, so that is the darkest legal tint, and it is going to give you awesome UV and heat reduction, and as well as the safety aspect of the tint. Up the top you've got genuine Mitsubishi roof racks with your bike rack as well, so if you did want to store a bicycle up the top there, you have got that option. Now, making our way along the side of the vehicle, as I said guys, not going to spend too long on the condition because it does present really well as you would expect on a vehicle with this kind of condition. One thing I would highly recommend is do talk to us about the glass coat, but first of all, just taking a look on the back end, you've got your high mounted stoplight, your rear wiper and a tow bar already fitted for you. If I just open this up quickly, you'll be able to see it easier. The Outlander scuff guard just on the rear bumper here is going to protect your bar if you are sliding bags in and out. You've also got the genuine cargo liners fitted, so if you did want to protect the carpet in the back, keep things nice and tidy and clean, you have got the option in there as well. They do come out fairly easily, and if you did want to use the third row seats, just pull this out and you can just pull those seats up, so very easy to use. Underneath the floor here you have also got that cargo blind, so if you did want to keep everything in the back private, once again you have got that option. Now, something on the back here you will notice, we have already fitted a dash cam in this vehicle for you. I'll show you what it looks like for the front one, but the back one's nice and subtle, it will never really get in your way, but it's a great way to know that your car is being monitored constantly. Now, along this side, your fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side. Once again, as I said, not going to spend too long on the condition at all. These wheels are all unmarked and the vehicle does present really well. Something I would highly recommend, we're going to talk to you about it anyway, is do take advantage of the glass coat. That is going to give you a lifetime warranty on this beautiful paintwork, and seeing as this car is already so well protected, do your part and protect the paintwork as well. Guys, taking a look inside the Outlander now. On the driver's side door here, you do get all your power window controls. So the front driver's side, they are all automatic up and down. And above that, you have also got your central locking buttons and your window lock. Above that again is a toggle for your power mirrors and a button to let you fold your mirrors in manually if you wish. On the right hand side here, you have got a few safety buttons. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up clearly, but you have got your forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning and parking sonars. Now if you wanted any more information on the safety systems of this vehicle, please do ask us about it because we will walk you through it all. Then you've got a blank button and the switch for your LED light bar. Now would highly recommend do not turn that on unless your engine is running because you will drain your battery. That light bar does take up a lot of power. Up here you have got the toggle for your headlights, so you can change the angle of them. You've also got your stability and traction control, and two buttons that a button that looks like two credit cards, which is for the menu between the clusters. The right hand stalk here, you do get your indicators, fog lights, and your dusk sensing headlights, as well as your automatic high beams. On the left hand stalk here, you've got your washer and your rain sensing wiper controls. On the steering wheel, you do get cruise control on the right hand side with an adaptive setting, so you can change the distance it will follow the car in front of you. And on the left hand side here, you've got all your media and hands-free call functions. Now having a look at the center display, it is Mitsubishi's updated 8-inch display with all your multimedia settings, so there is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built into that, but you do also get your standard AM, FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and your USB inputs. Down here you do get dual zone climate control as well, so passenger and driver both get the choice to have their own temperatures. Down here again you've got a 12-volt socket, a little slot where if your key battery does die you can just put it in there and still start your car. You've also got a USB port just down here and your eco mode if you wanted to save some fuel. There's two covered cup holders just here, very neat and tidily done by Mitsubishi because it does cover up pretty neatly. You've got a leather wrapped shifter, a little bit of storage, electric park brake, so up is on, down is off, and you've also got the auto hold function there. Now the leather wrapped center console, when you open it up, there's plenty of space in here, so awesome for storing things in when you're driving. Now one last thing I will show you on the inside. The inside does present really well, by the way. There is that UV dash cam just on the front as well, so it is all wired into your car's framework, so there's no messy cables plugging into cigarette lighters, and it is an awesome dash cam system which we will explain to you when you come pick your car up. As you can see, the interior does look very comfortable and presents really well, so don't miss this awesome opportunity because considering the amount of extras on this vehicle, it is definitely great value. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Outlander. As you can see, it is very well accessorized for you and it's going to treat you well, especially considering the amount of extras we have actually fitted to it. It is an awesome value Outlander. Now, if you have any questions at all about anything I have spoken about today, please do ask us about it. But a couple of things I would highly recommend. You would want to ask us about the glass coat or the lifestyle pack, which will give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. You also get an additional interior protection for your leather, vinyls, and fabrics as well. It is a great option to keep your car looking beautiful, and let's face it, you want to make cleaning this vehicle very easy as well. The other thing I'd highly recommend you talk to us about is the Platinum 1 program, which this car does qualify for. Will give you another 5 years of cover on all your new car warranty items. You also get up to 10 years of nationwide roadside assistance and up to 200,000 kilometers of cover. It is a great way to keep your car once again protected for as long as you own it. Now, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options. They will tailor a package to suit your needs, which will fit all those protective options in there and make the payment somewhere where you are comfortable with as well. Now, before I go, you need to also look at our Google reviews. We are sitting on 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews from customers all over the country. It is a great way to know that you are dealing with a reputable dealership, buying a good quality vehicle, and we are going to look after you from start to finish. So if you have any questions, the number to dial is 9907 0555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.